Decode the ambient message about barely surviving a zombie attack.
All right, let's decode this message with an immersive narrative. I find myself in a dark, abandoned building. The distant sound of creaking wood echoes through the halls, making my heart race. I carefully tiptoe across the dusty floor, trying to remain silent, but a sudden clatter of falling debris startles me. I freeze, listening intently, and hear the unmistakable groaning of a zombie nearby. My breath quickens as I scramble for a weapon, finding a rusty pipe on the ground. Clutching it, I peer around the corner and see a shadow moving. It's now or never.
What do you do next?
Gripping the rusty pipe, I steady my breath, focusing on the shadow moving closer. I crouch low, inching forward as quietly as possible. The groaning grows louder, and I know I have to act fast. With a burst of courage, I leap from my hiding spot, swinging the pipe with all my might. The impact is solid, and the zombie staggers back. Thud. I don't wait for it to recover. I turn and run, hearing the sound of more approaching footsteps behind me. I sprint towards the exit, determined to escape this nightmare.
Briefly redecode thud and footsteps running.
The thud and footsteps running signify the intensity of the moment. The thud represents the impact of my strike against the zombie, a critical moment of defense.
Integrate.
As the pipe connects with the zombie, there's a satisfying thud, signaling a
Yeah.
momentary victory. But there's no time to celebrate. I hear the rapid approach of more footsteps. Footsteps, a chilling reminder that danger is far from over. I dash towards the exit, the sound of my own footsteps pounding in my ears, driving me forward through the dark, uncertain path to safety.
Zombie growl.
Just as I think I'm gaining ground, a guttural zombie growl echoes from behind me, sending a shiver down my spine. It's a stark reminder of the relentless threat closing in. I push myself harder, the growl fueling my fear and determination to survive this nightmare.
The ambient message concludes on a tragic note.
As I near the exit, the growls multiply, a chorus of the undead closing in. My heart pounds as I burst through the door, only to be met with a horde of zombies outside. There's no way out. Overwhelmed and outnumbered, I'm engulfed by the relentless tide, my desperate struggle ending in a tragic fate. The last sound I hear is the closing in of their ravenous growls.
One more on the ravenous growl and the message will be fully decoded.
Surrounded by the horde, the ravenous growls drown out all other sounds. Their hunger is palpable, a terrifying symphony of doom. I fight with every ounce of strength, but their numbers overwhelm me. In my final moments, the world fades into darkness, consumed by the insatiable undead. The message is fully decoded.
Oh, well, that was fucking dark.